Today, we're taking our embroidery skills to a whole new level with a super cool geometric pattern stitched directly onto a t-shirt. Want to learn hand embroidery from the basics? I have a complete course that takes you from beginner to pro. Check out the link in the description to start your embroidery journey today. Get ready for a t-shirt hack that's both stylish and sustainable. First, I'm carefully cutting out a leaf shape from the front of my t-shirt. Make sure to use a fabric glue that dries clear and flexible. You don't want any stiff or visible glue marks on your t-shirt. Then, I'm applying fabric glue to the edges of the cutout and attaching a piece of cream-colored cotton fabric to the back. This creates a neat and tidy backing for our embroidery. Once the glue is dry, it's time to create our grid. I'm using graph paper to mark 5 mm squares on the t-shirt, covering the leaf shape and extending onto the chest area. I've marked 34 squares across and 19 squares down, but you can adjust the size and spacing of your grid to fit your design. Now I'm fixing my embroidery hoop to the front of the t-shirt, making sure the fabric is taut. With my pink floss, I'm starting to stitch horizontal lines of running stitch across the grid, following the marked lines. This technique is perfect for upcycling old t-shirts or adding a personal touch to new ones. Once the horizontal lines are complete, I'm stitching vertical lines of running stitch, creating X shapes at each intersection of the grid. This forms the base of our geometric pattern. Now for the fun part, the weaving. Using the same pink floss, I'm weaving my needle over and under the X stitches, creating a beautiful textured effect. I'm following a diagonal pattern, but you can experiment with different weaving styles to create your own unique look. You can use it to create all sorts of designs, from simple geometric patterns to intricate floral motifs. Get creative and have fun with it. Instead of a leaf, try cutting out other shapes like stars, hearts, or geometric patterns. Use this technique to creatively mend holes or tears in your t-shirts. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to HandiWorks for more creative inspiration. Happy stitching!